Where the roads end is where my adventures usually begin.
No brakes, no problem. Woohoo!
There's something about going places that other people can't or won't. About the challenge of getting there and seeing places that are so far or so high up that they seem ancient and otherworldly. My name is Sean, and this is the story till now. Brought to you in part by Epic Adventure Outfitters.
Good morning, guys. It's day 2 of our week-long off-road adventure road trip with Mr. 250 himself.
Bacon.
We just picked up some bacon wraps from this bakery that we're at. It's called Bakery.
The bakery.
It's called the Bakery. So we're headed out on a bit of a mission today. I got this message from Paul over at Epic Adventure Outfitters. Where's my phone? So Paul went out wheeling on Monday and seems he lost his drone. He sent me this picture. It just shows this crazy mountain range with a little icon that says missing drone. So we're gonna go on a mission and find it.
It was my drive shaft turning because I just did the hubs.
Drive shaft issue?
Yeah. Well,
get it
not
tightened up?
anymore. It's fixed now. But yeah, I guess all 4 of my rear drive shaft bolts are a little loose.
Clint's here again from Dirt Garage.
Hey guys.
Casey, what do you got there?
This, my friend, is an epic adventure.
I mean, it looks like a donut on a stick.
That is exactly what it is.
Just out for a little rip ski, are you, bud? No due to boot it. So much happier aired down. Yeah, that's what it's been progressively getting worse. I was a little miserable that last section.
Unfortunately, Clint's diff exploded as we left the bakery, and he had to sit this one out. We headed towards the coordinates of the missing drone, excited to do some exploring.
Glacier. Do you have the coordinates for the drone pumped into your thing? Yeah, it's marked on my map. Sweet.
As we continued down the road, we came to a missing bridge in our way.
This is the way he said he went, right? No brakes, no problem. Woohoo! We run into quite a bit of a washout here. The road is pretty much completely gone. There's about a 1 meter high climb out on the other side of this glacier melt river. Look at all these logs that have just washed down here. This is crazy. So obviously we're gonna cross it. This is such a steep climb out of the river here. Pretty sure we tagged the bumper on the way up. We made it across. Onward on our mission to save the drone. Woo! Woo!
With fall starting to set in, the colors of the surrounding plant life are extremely vivid as we climb an elevation. We followed the glacier melt river towards the towering peaks in front of us, with the sun rising up behind them and the ancient slabs of ice hanging from the top. Alright guys, so we're making our way up to this glacier. Ice wall, straight out of Game of Thrones.
Yeah, watch out for the White Walkers.
We're trying to get to the drone that Paul lost somewhere up here in these icy mountains. But this road's pretty fun so far, really nice views.
Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt the adventure, guys. Make sure you head over to dirtyanddangerous.com. We've got beer koozies, we've got t-shirts, stickers, keychains, all on sale right now. Appreciate your support, guys. It helps a lot.
Still got the black and white original logo tees.
Still got these guys. A few left. Get them while they last.
From here, we began our ascent of the glacier field. As we rise in elevation, there is no more plant life to be seen, only barren rock. This entire area will be covered in snow most of the year. Only right now, at the tail end of summer, will we be able to make our way right up to the glaciers.
Like another planet up here. Yeah, it's like freaking Mars.
I feel like Matt Damon.
That's a good movie.
I think this is...
On this terrain, it becomes increasingly difficult to tell how steep of an incline you are driving on. It gradually increases, and the perspective from inside the Jeep can be deceiving.
Sign of the drone? Are we getting close?
Forward more. Right on top of the drone's last known location.
All right, let's get out and look around.
So we're right on top of the coordinates where that Paul sent us, where he dropped his drone, where it crashed. He said it fell between some rocks. As you can see, the rocks here, you know, the drone's gray, the rocks are gray. So we're gonna go on a mission, find this drone.
North of here, apparently.
Which way is north?
That way,
That way? Okay.
I think.
I'll take upper half, you take lower half.
So,
I mean, those coordinates might not be accurate to the meter.
yeah, exactly. But pretty sure it's somewhere right in here.
All right, do it.
Let's have to poke around.
I'll take up here. Yo! Drone hoy!
No way.
Aha! Found it. And it's in one piece.
It's missing its ND filter though.
It's missing an ND filter, but it's in one piece.
Does it have an SD card in it still?
Yeah, it does.
I bet it still works.
It's got the SD card.
It's missing part of a prop.
Paul? What's up, buddy? Mission accomplished!
Now let's see what's on it.
I bet this would even still fly.
Yeah, you put a new prop on there, it'd be good to go.
We got the drone! Woo!
Woo! I just love exploring outer space.
Now that we found the drone, there's an old cabin over here. We're just hiking across this glacier field, which, you know, is melted right now, but you can imagine in the winter this is all covered in snow from that glacier up there.
Snow up here in the winter.
Yeah, it's a weird place for a shelter. Must have been like, I don't know.
Something to do with mining? Well, there's a mine up here somewhere.
Well, there's a mine like, it's probably up a different road than the one we're up.
It's hard to believe that we've seen so many places like this in the past year. It feels like these trips keep getting better and better, and I can't wait to see what happens next.
All right, guys, we recovered the drone, which is what we set out to do today. We made it up to this beautiful glacier, got some epic shots, had some sketchy fun wheeling. It's been a good day. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. This trip's not done. We're gonna be back next week with another adventure like this. Me, KC250, and hopefully Clint's truck won't break down next time and he can come with us as well. Thanks for watching, guys. My name's Sean. This is Story Till Now. This is KC250. Subscribe to him as well.
Share the video.
Peace.
Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and check out our merch at dirtyanddangerous.com if you'd like to help support the channel. I'll see you next time.
Yeah, they mess you up real good.